Yo, before starting this video, I want to say I'm having a 250 coin race for 200, oh, I would say 250 coins. With 100 coins for the top wager, 50 for the second one, and 30 for the third one. I also have like small prizes for top 10. And right now I have 0 affiliate users because I've been inactive. So, if you join, you probably have a good chance. And all you need to do is go here, go to referral code, click Sackaden, and go 7 days. And that's how you do it. Then it's based on the wager amount. Let's get into the video, boys. Yo, we're back with a new video on RAINGG. If you want to try out the site and join a $250 leaderboard, you can go to deposit, click Sackaden, then go 7 days and click apply. Let's get into the video, boys. Okay, so we're gonna try our luck and do 5-10% cases. And surely we're lucky today. But I'll do a little bit more safe cases afterwards because we're getting shit on lately. And we'll be doing 100% 5 videos on with Rain for the leaderboard. Oh, what the fuck? Fuck, my throat is fucked. What are you? That's good, right? Yeah. It's fine though. We'll pull you. Look. Case. Which is actually Pog. So 5 videos with Rain. We're back, boys. We're on the grind. With a 250 coin leaderboard. So make sure to join that. Okay, can we get a double pull? Max item. Okay, let's get a triple fucking pull. Max item and say nothing about it. Okay, that's fine, that's fucking shitty ass knife. But that was the last case. Never mind. Alright, we're doing something more safe. Fuck that shit. We're gonna do 5 vapor waves 2v2. It's like a purple pink skin kind of thing. Kinda nice. Oops. Okay, let's give us the freaking rain hit. Oh, that's bad for us. Come on. Raindrop. Oh, go down, go down, go down. Ah. Okay, we get back something. Okay, still up here. That's nice. Big. Stop. Okay, it's not bad. Give us hit here. Nice, nice, nice. That's big. Actually big. Or maybe not big, but we lose money, but we won a battle. Let's go, boys. We're gonna run it back. I have a feeling. They also have a 25k weekly race and a 5k daily. Not go down, go down. I'm not 100% sure if you can join everybody's at the same time, but I actually think you can. So if you join my race and we additionally joined into both of these, it's kind of cool. Oh, that's big, that's big. Big hit. Go down. Okay, we gotta play better. We're actually gonna play better. Stop. Oh nah, I think they're better. Yikes. I'm still in the lead though. Okay, hit. Stop. Yes, that's big. We win. Big. We're gonna run back, fuck it. How much do we have in here? We up? No, we're not up, but we're not down a lot. Like my last video, that was fucking horrible. Also, thanks for the response on the last video. I was kind of scared to come back after like half a year. Oh, we're back. We're back in business. Go down? No. 70 coins. Nothing to complain about. Alright, alright. I mean, it's not good, but that is not good either. Go down. That's 80 coins. Still have a chance though. Come on. Oh, that's GG. I just booked a fucking trip to Thailand, the 17th. I might do a video with facecam there, honestly, because I'm gonna bring a laptop. So maybe face reveal, who knows? We'll see. Originals. Let's see the originals. Oh, cheesy. I think I opened this. Got 10 cheesies. I think I like this case. Yeah, fuck it, we try it. We ball. Go 2v2, yeah. Come on. That's bad. Okay. Okay. I think that's good. I mean, decent. Oh. Nah. What's the... Okay. Okay, not bad. Can you give us another rain? Fucking hell, I feel like I've been sick for a fucking... Wait, stop. I feel like I've been sick for like a month. Actually triggering. Okay, give us knife. Was that the bad one or the good one? Not a bad one, but it's still good. I'll take it. Okay, they can feed now, please. Like, this is just break even kind of thingy. We want some profit here. Okay, another case. One more. Okay, rain it there. Is that good? It's like 10 coins or something? Oh, I mean, got some profit. I'll try something else. I like the original cases. I think it was like a 15 coin case I loved before. What was it called? I found it. Was the art gallery, but I'm gonna do a freeway shared. Just give us max hits. Fuck it. That's bad. Rain. Stop. Nice. Okay, what is this? Come on. Go down. I think it's 130 or something. Okay, 100 coins. Take it. We need 2 more of those though. Okay. Get to double rain it. X. We lose. Quite a bit. Is that the worst you can get? Yeah, I think that's the worst you can get in the rain hit. We should do a freeway crazy mode. Art. 3 of them. Boom. Look at this. I have the stress. Don't hit. Stop. Nah, fucking hell. GG. I mean, they just double hit. This guy hits. Nah, we're fucked. We're fucked. I'm gonna run back. Fuck it. Look at this. Give them a rainy there. Actually, give them one of each. Yeah, that's big. Big, big, big. As long as I don't hit like a decent item. Oh. Stop. No, that's 81. This guy got a hit. This guy got hit. Come on. Please. Stop. That would have been a fucking... Let's run back. I'm addict. Can't stop. We got this, we got this. Trust. Okay, rain it there. That's a fucking joke. This guy got rain it now. Or we fucked. Of course. Okay. Just hit it. Please, please, please. Let's do it. Run it. Wait. No, we lose because we lose with... I have to do it. That's a fucking joke. Like, please, please, please. I actually can't win anything. I noticed. I hit it instantly. 80 coins. Just do it. Rain it. Rain it. I'm getting so triggered right now. You have no idea. Okay, we gotta go all in. We gotta go all in. We gotta go all in. We're going with the art gallery. You know, preview free. Do it. Just fucking hit it. Like... Yeah, of course, of course. Now we get the good pills. Oh, never mind, it's not that. But come. Like, is this? Yes. Okay, that's big. Use max out. Fuck it. You want the gloves? Gloves. Okay. We have a chance. Not anymore. I mean, if we get double rain hit, we win, but otherwise, it's GG. It's over. Yeah, that's a GG's voice. If you want to join the 2-week leaderboard with 250 coins, click deposit, click Sackaden, click apply. And that's gonna be it for the video, boys. GG's.